So what is past simple? Past simple is something which has completed recently. Recently happened. Past is was. Past is yesterday, right? Anything that is completed, जो हो चुका है, जो अभी recently हुआ है, ठीक है? For example, you have completed your lunch at 1 p.m. and 2 o'clock your friend asked, invited you to come for lunch. What you are gonna say? मैं तो खा चुका हूँ. So खा चुका हूँ is I have eaten. Okay? खत्म हो गया, मेरा खाना खत्म हो गया. Okay? I ate. You finished it. Okay? So here what is the formula? Subject plus verb second form. So what will that come? So in here कुछ यहाँ पे do does वाला जो फंडा था, right? Third person singular, it will not be here, so you don't worry. So everyone whoever has done something completed in the past, it will fall in this category. I played. Okay, subject, what is that I have done? I completed. I played. He played. We played. They played. She played. Dog played. Everything. Okay, they played. Dog played. मतलब this thing, whenever you see ed, okay, wherever you see there is a ed, it means this is a second form. Second form is primarily for past tense. Okay, so the three forms that is there, right? In the three forms, what happens generally? Okay, forms of verb. Okay, so what it denotes? Okay, what does it mean? For example, here it comes. Oops. First form, we'll go with this first form, and we have a second form. Okay, and we have third form, right? Third form, and there is another form that we generally use, right? We make it, that's a verb ing, right? We use verb ing. तब यहाँ पे देखते हैं क्या होता है. So when it is a first form, what is this all about? First form is all about present. Okay, this is used for present. Whenever you see a first form, just you need to understand this is present. Whenever there is a second form, there will be ed attached, that will be past. Okay, so e present is let's say do. What is past of do? Did हो गया, right? Third form मतलब क्या? Perfect, हो चुका है. Okay, third form is it's a done. Okay, which is like completed long ago in the past. So that is done, totally completed. So it says present, it says past, and it says completed long ago. This is not future. What are we talking about? Future comes a different thing. Okay, then verb ing, what does it tell? It tells about, wherever you see there is ing, it tells about progress or continuous. Okay, this is what you need to remember. Whatever you see the verbs with ing, this is all about continuation. Got it? So here done, and what will it come here, people? Doing. Clear? You just need to remember this much. So when it comes to past simple, what is this? Subject plus second form. Did, played, ate, cooked, looked, anything that comes in. So here, मैं खेल चुका हूँ, मैं खा चुका हूँ, मैं जा चुका हूँ, something like that. Okay, where is Ram? No, he went, he left. Okay, leave, left. So चला गया. Past simple will come anything that is completed recently. So here I played, he played, we played, she played, dog played, they played, everything it comes. Okay, you played. Now what is past continuous? If you want to explain something,